Alright, let's talk about something important today. These are my pens. Here is the format. The logbook, you see, the logbook, the daily planner book, and the book from the last month. You should be carrying these two minimum. The logbook should be always with you. The daily planner, you can spend 10 minutes in the morning to plan the day ahead. This one, it's a good. This is the logbook from the last month. So we have three here. The logbook for the month, minute by minute, every 10-15 seconds you put some entry in it. What happened? What's going on? Who I meet? What they are making me doing? What are they making me feeling? What are they making me saying? What I do? Why I am here right now at that moment? At every entry, every 10 minutes, you should ask yourself this question. What I'm doing right now? Why I'm here? And let me give you the next level of questioning yourself. What is the best use of my time right now? That's from the biggie collection, from the big questions. You can ask this question every 10 to 15 minutes per day. Here is the question. What is the best use of my time right now? That's a powerful question. Now here is the format. And now let's talk about planning. This would be video 3 about planning because I see my mentees are not up to the complexity of the information that I'm giving to them. So I want to make it as simple as possible. I want to use simple words. All right. And today we're going to make a little bit of different thing. But let me tell you, let's get back to the reality of things. This is the reality. Just breathe. You'll never live this moment again. Not only you will not live this moment again, but you will also live this moment only once. Now, today, for your fun and entertainment, we're going to do a little bit of different things about planning. It's going to be about planning, it's going to be about your life, but we're not going to go standard. I hope you understand this important thing. What we're going to do today, instead of talking, we're going to be doing some doing. It's important. Now, this what I'm showing you here, it's one of the best exercises, all right? That's called the swing, the sway. Comes from Qigong. Qigong is the way you master your energy within. That's a big science, but we're gonna do a few exercises for you to stretch your whole body. Keep in mind, I'm only 51 years old, but this is a good exercise for your start. 5 minutes a day. That is called the Qigong swing. I learned it from a master. The master is somewhere there in the internet, talking about this important thing. This is how it works. Chin up, your tongue on the top of your mouth.
Did you know that you can get $50,000 to over $150,000?
Like this. I know I can get $150,000, but that's not the question today, my friend. Alright, we're going to continue with the good part. Here is the exercise. Legs here. Tongue backwards and on the top of your, and then with your beautiful hands, let them swing. I will be not doing the exercise so I can talk to you. Now what this will do, if you do this 5 minutes a day, that is enough to center your energy, give you focus, and as well touch every ligament, every bone, every little part of your body by just doing this simple exercise. 10 to 15 minutes a day. Only 10 to 15 minutes a day. Imagine how little it takes to get to your peak performance for the whole entire day. That's all we need. And let it go. Now, after you finish about this 5 minutes, you can do a little same but side way and stretch and stretch. Stretching is important. Do you know that if you stretch physically, your fantasy can go wild? If you stretch, this is a concept, I hope it's not new for you, but if you stretch physically, if you do these little stretch exercises, do you know that your fantasy, your essence, your soul, your intellect, instead of being like this narrow-minded tunnel vision, it will expand, 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 expand. And you can have more and more good, great, excellent, superior ideas. And what is it with them? Here it is. Got the pen. Throw them on the daily log. Put them in the big dream book. And that will give you the results that you want of yourself, not what someone else wants from you. So now to make it even better for you, hey, we're gonna exercise our balance. A balance, it's a good thing. Now the balance works like this. Alright? Just put it simple. If you know how to balance your body, now listen to this concept. If you know how to balance your body, you will be also able to balance your mind, your intellect, and your emotions. If you know how to balance your energy, there will be no more of these anger, jealousy, resentment, hatred. Even the advertisement you hear while you're doing something important, it will not piss you off. You know, like how people get pissed off for no reason. They say, Something came over me, right? They say, something came over me. I don't know what it is. Something came over me and I started acting like a crazy, crazy man. It was this feeling, it was this that. Well, that is just lack of balance, my friend. And here is a little exercise for you. Just a little. Exercise for you. Stay still. Stay calm. At one point, the reality will disappear. It's not easy. It's not easy. But you can do it, just like me. I'm not any more special than you. You can do it even better than me. I've trained people to do these things, and they are like 10 times better than me. They're still doing it. And that is just nothing. There's more. There is a lot more. I know what you're thinking. I want to rewind this video. But hey, hold on. Stay with me. Stay with me. Watch. Watch and learn, my friend. Because if you don't learn, it's 100% guaranteed disaster in your life. All these bad emotions, all these bad feelings, all these fights with people that you should not fight. But hey, you do. Maybe it's your spouse, maybe it's your husband, maybe it's your wife, maybe it's your kids, maybe it's your father, mother, or whoever it is there. Beautiful people, no reason to fight with them. But you do. I don't know why. Relax. Enjoy. Enjoy. Now the idea here is simple. I'll repeat. Because the repetition is the mother of skills. And who the father is? Who the father is? The father is called self-discipline. Is the master, the father of all skills. It's called Mr. Self-Discipline. Where the emphasis is on the word self, not on the discipline, the self-discipline. By the way, for the successful people, there's no any other kind but self-discipline. Alright? You got that right. Now, if it should be flawless, it should be easy, it should be nice, just nice. And then you go back. Balance your energies. Now, let me give you another story. Yesterday I was talking to a friend of mine. He's very spiritual. He's very mental. This guy is one of the smartest people I know. He's super smart. And we was talking on the topic of spiritual uplift. And he told me this: the body, it's an entrapment of your spirit and your soul. And I looked at his body and I said, well, your body does not seems to be a good entrapment of your soul. Now, some people would like to bullshit themselves of mentalism, spiritualism, and all these ethereal stuff, but they neglect their body. Well, I have bad news for these people. Hey, in the sciences of spirituality, intellect, business, accomplishment, success, good life, excellent life, beautiful relationships. Well, it starts from the body. Well, you can have the strongest mind, you can have the brilliant ideas, but if you are paralyzed in a wheelchair, well, you don't have too much chances in that beautiful life. Most of the stuff you will not even sense it because you are immobilized, paralyzed. If you are overweight, well, half of the pleasures of life are gone for you. What's left for you is probably one of the deadly sins: gluttony. Gluttony. I'm gonna pizza. I'm gonna pizza. A burger. A pizza, a burger, a steak. Well, in those times in the back, they said, treat your body as a temple, not as a shed. Now, the spiritual people will say, well, the body is not important. No. When you talk to God, He will look down on you, He will look at you, and He will ask you, hey, why don't you fix your own house first? What He means is fix your own body. Don't be negligent around and for and about your body. Neglecting your body, it's a disastrous way, guaranteed to lead you to the path of misery, suffering, struggle, crying, sorrow, pity, disgust with your own self. And some people say, well, I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but I love my body. Well, I have a bad news for you. The body does not love you back, for sure. Do you got that? So now, take care of your body. Once they said, it's the greatest instrument you will ever possess. If they are musical instrument, right? If your body was a musical instrument, what should it be? Should it be shiny, sparkling, clean, with all the good pipes inside that will give you clarity, calmness, sharp vision. You will start seeing things that other people can't. You will start hearing things that other people can't. You're gonna start sensing sensations that other people have no clue about it. You will start feeling feelings that are only for the selected few. Glory, joy, joy. Yes, and your life will be like a song that you can sing today. And you're going to be making these songs on the spot. Yeah, that simple it is. So, let's talk about this important stuff. Your body is a temple, not a shapy bed, barrack, or a shed. Alright? So, all it takes is make a little dance, make a little movement. Yesterday I was talking to one of the kids and I asked him, hey, what kind of music you like? He said, I don't like any music. I said, what? Hey, the spirit in this kid, it's missing. There's no spirit. It's only intellect. Calculating. No spirit. Hey, you don't like any kind of music? That is a lie. You don't have a favorite song? That is a lie. Or if you don't, you should. So, plan your day. Do some balance in your life. Keep it simple. Keep it with 2 fingers if possible. If you can do it with 2 fingers, do it. Keep it in. Now you're going to get better, right? You're going to get a lot better. Oh, and it doesn't have to be, no, this is just the beginning. I don't want to show you the good stuff yet. To keep you entertained, involved, and mostly engaged. Alright, we need some engagement. If you watch this video, hey, put some comments. What do you think about it? 22 minutes, plenty of moments was here. And just breathe. Remember, you will never live this moment again, my friend. And you will only live this once. So put that coffee down, put that bullshit down, put your all mental garbage and diarrhea, put it aside. Start now. Start a new, good, prosperous, beautiful life. That's all it is. From me to you today. It's you, my friend, who must make it count. As my mentor said, things they do count. And I would say they do amass and account. Have a good day.